Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about functional classification of muscles, and if you want to see other videos you can just click on the links given in the description box. So let's start with the classification. Muscles are classified into two groups on the basis of their action and on the basis of their role. On the basis of their action, they are classified into three categories: flexor, extensor and rotator. For example, biceps brachii muscle is doing flexion at the elbow joint, hence it is a flexor. Triceps brachii muscle is doing extension at the elbow joint, hence it is a extensor. And infraspinatus, subscapularis and teres minor muscle, they are doing rotation at the shoulder joint, hence they are the rotators. Let's talk about how they are classified on the basis of their role. So they are classified into three groups. One is prime mover, synergist and antagonist. Let us see an example of elbow flexion. So whenever I am doing elbow flexion, biceps brachii muscle has a main role to play in doing elbow flexion, hence it is acting as a prime mover. In contrast to it, triceps brachii muscle is in a lengthened position and it is opposing the action of a prime mover, hence it is acting as an antagonist. Hence it is providing a smooth and controlled movement at the elbow joint. What are the synergist? Synergist muscle are those muscles, they are like a supportive, they have a supportive role and they are like a friend of a prime mover. So whenever I am doing elbow flexion, brachioradialis muscle is helping the prime mover muscle to do the same, and hence it is also preventing the radial rotation while doing elbow flexion. Let us take another example of shoulder abduction. So whenever I am doing shoulder abduction, middle deltoid and supraspinatus muscle, they are acting as a prime mover. They have a main role to play in doing abduction. In contrast to it, latissimus dorsi and pectoralis major muscle, they are helping in smooth and controlled movement and they are acting as an antagonist to this prime mover muscle. And if I talk about the synergist, to do the overhead shoulder abduction, there are multiple synergists which are helping here: anterior deltoid, posterior deltoid and a biceps brachii muscle once I am rotating the humerus, and hence they are acting as a synergist in doing shoulder abduction. So you have seen all the three groups have a major role to play and they are working in harmony with each other. If this is being disturbed, then it might lead to the muscle imbalances in the body. Hence, while treating our patients, it is very, very important to understand the role of their action. So to summarize, on the basis of the actions, the muscles are classified into three groups: flexor, extensor and rotator. And on the basis of their role, they are classified into prime mover, antagonistic and synergistic muscle. I hope this information was useful for you. If you have any other queries, you can leave in the comment section, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like our video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.